Today we're making Mediterranean steak dressed in a lemon vinaigrette. You're gonna love this. Stay tuned. We have our steak here. This is just top brown. And to that we're gonna add some black pepper, nutmeg, ground cinnamon, cumin, and some coriander. And then some olive oil. And then we'll add a little bit of salt just to perk it up a little bit. A little pepper. A little bit of nutmeg. And we're roughly doing about a teaspoon of each. Cinnamon. Just going to give it a nice Mediterranean flavor. A little cumin. Now a little coriander. And you don't want to go too heavy on the coriander because it's pretty strong. And in olive oil, you want to put about 1/4 cup. And we want this to marinate for at least an hour. But I'm going to be marinating it longer than that, because I'm actually not cooking for at least another 5 or 6 hours. So it'll be in the refrigerator the whole time, and every hour I'll massage it. Now we're going to add this to the bowl, put it in the bowl, let it air out, and we're going to put this in the fridge. And like I said, every hour, almost forgot the salt. Gotta put the salt in there. Just a couple twists, that's all you need. Now, close it up, let the air out, massage it a bit more, and in the refrigerator. Now for our vinaigrette, we're going to need garlic, minced garlic, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, black pepper, and some salt, and then some olive oil. Okay, so we're going to add about a teaspoon of pepper. Alright. Add about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. There we go. Add a couple grains of salt. There we go. Add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Maybe 2 teaspoons worth. Now we're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. And then we're going to add about 1/2 cup of olive oil. And then we're going to close this up. We're going to shake it up. Lids on. Now we just want to shake it up. We'll just get all emulsified. See that? Nice. See how it looks? And this will hold it in the refrigerator for about 10 days if you need that long. Now we're going to add our steak to the grill. We let the steak sit to get room temperature, make it easier to cook, and more evenly to cook. There we go. There we go. We're going to do 2 minutes, and we're going to turn it, and then do a minute, and then we're going to flip it. So we've given our meat a 1/4 turn. Now we're going to let this go for about a minute, and then we're going to flip it. Okay, now let's flip it over. There we go. 2 minutes. Okay, now we're going to take it off, let it rest for 5 minutes. Okay, now we want to prepare our salad. We're going to shake up our dressing again. Nice and emulsified. Alright, then we're going to add a little bit to the salad and we're going to toss it. Just add a little bit to the salad. Just drizzle it on a little bit. A couple tablespoons worth. Now we want to toss it. You don't want to oversaturate it. That's the last thing you want to do. A little bit will go a long way. Trust me. Now we also want to add just a little bit of Parmesan cheese into the salad mix. Not a lot. Just enough to give it a little bit of flavor. You want to use fresh Parmesan if you got it, but I don't have it. So I'm using the powdered stuff. And then we toss that. And now we want to start to plate up. So greens in the middle. Very nice. Now let's prep the steak. Now we have our steak here that's been resting. It's fully rested now. Now we want to cut it against the grain. Okay, we're going to lay these on. Just right on top. Just fan them out. There we go. And there you have it. Mediterranean steak dressed with lemon vinaigrette. Enjoy.